Yo guys, and welcome to new video from the garage. So today I got one trick for you. It's how to make the clutch softer. The softer feel and the better feeling what is the clutch doing. So it's going to work for the Shercos, also for the KTM bikes, because they both use brembo cylinders. So this one is the 10. So 10 number, and I got new one. This one is the 9. So 9 and the 10. So what is the difference? The difference is when you use the 10, when you press it, it's going to push more fluid. The 9 is pushing less fluid. When you do movement like this with the 10, you push the plates more off. With 9 you need to use it more, but it's going to make softer. Also with 9 you get better feeling if you have a clutch drag. So when you almost full and the bike is still going forward, if you install the 9, then you will have a more bad drag and it's going to pull you more front on the forward. So it's going to make you more problems. So before doing this mode, please fix your clutch plates and discs. Yeah, on the Sherco also the clutch pull is more harder than the KTM, but you can fix it. Sherco is using 6 springs. You can remove 2 or shorten 2 springs, and it's getting the same feeling like on the KTM. Yeah, so this master cylinder is not my bad English. So this master cylinder is not cheap, it's expensive. If you get it from Sherco, it's almost 20% cheaper than getting one from the KTM. So it's same but cheaper. I'm going to test it and then I'm going to tell you, is this worth the money? So if you break it your old one, get the 9, because it's nice mode to get softer clutch pull. Also, I installed my GoPro under the visor, so it's looking like this. I'm going to ride it now, so I hope this video is not boring. I'm going to test it and say you honest opinion, is this good mode if it's not. So stay tuned. So yeah, it's really working, easy pull, no any problems. Also the feeling is almost the same, like 10 millimeters, but it's different. It's for the first time it's strange, because I got used to 10. I was knowing when the clutch is pulling and when not, and with 9 it was really different. I needed to play with the lever to adjust it again. I don't know, is that normal, but I think yeah. So yeah, it's fine. If it's needed, no, it's not that special mode, but yeah, it's useful. If you're older guy having problems with fingers, why not? It's good mod. Also you can sell your 10 millimeters on eBay. So yeah, it's useful. Honest opinion. If I get some problems, I will tell you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. So I got just home from riding. Yeah, as I told you from my GoPro footage, this is really useful notification for older people. Yeah, for me it's nothing special because I ride really often, 3-4 times a week. So for me the 10 and 9 is almost working same. Yeah, this is easy pull for long races. I think this is nice stuff to have on the bike. So if you don't ride that often, you are older guy, you have weak arms, get this. It's really useful. But is that worth that money? I don't know, it's about you. So I'm going to wash this bike tomorrow and maybe change this tire. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you later, guys.